Hi guys! Sorry in advance for my English. Welcome to my new tutorial series. In these tutorials I will show you how to get started with Arduino, how to design circuits with it, how to program it, and I tell you about many pitfalls with which you may encounter. Videos are designed for beginners. This is a preparatory video. Today we will talk about Arduino in general. With the help of Arduino you can create your own robots, automate various processes, improve devices, and also many more. This is the new level of your homemade projects. So, let's start. To start we need our self-Arduino. There are many kinds of them. More details can be found on the official site. I cannot fail to mention a few models. The first is Uno. This board had 14 digital and 6 analog ports. She also has a smaller copy, under the name Nano. Functionally they are very similar. The difference is that the Nano does not have additional power connector and have 8 analog ports. Real monster is Arduino Mega. This board had 54 digital and 16 analog ports. This Arduino is compatible with all expansion boards created for Uno. I imagine how cool project can be constructed using this thing. Also worth noting Arduino Leonardo and Micro. They are like Uno and Nano, differ mainly in size only, but have one great function. They can be connected to a computer and they will be determined like a gamepad or keyboard. That is, you can without any problem add to these boards the joysticks and buttons to create your own gamepad. Also interesting boards are Mini and Pro Mini. They like Uno, have 14 digital and 6 analog ports. Their sizes allow you to install them almost everywhere. Out of the minuses can be noted no built-in programmer and USB port. You will have to use your own programmer. I will leave a link to this in the description. I think the best for beginners will be Uno. Power can be supplied to Arduino in 3 ways. First way is a USB port. Insert into any 5V USB power supply, power bank, or into computer, and everything works. Nothing interesting. The second way is to supply power to 5V pin. You can take this voltage from any one USB power adapter, perfectly suited from the phone. You can also lower or hang up voltage with the help of Chinese models. The link is also in the description. The third way is the easiest way. You can supply power to the in pin. Arduino with the help of built-in power stabilizer will convert the voltage to the desired one. To this pin is recommended to supply voltage from 7 to 12 volts. Also, on some boards the in pin duplicated to special power connector. Here you can insert the power supply for the LED ribbon. You can also buy a battery adapter. It is often found in beginner's kits. Arduinos happen to be original or copy. Consider the example of Uno boards. Distinguish them quite easily. They use different microprocessors bodies. To begin with, I recommend you to buy a starter kit. I will leave a link to such as I have and links to other kits on AliExpress and Amazon in the description to this video. In the future, I will try to use parts from this set. Okay. For Arduino programming, we will need Arduino IDE. We will download this program from the official site. The link will also be in the description. I have Windows 7, so I download the version for Windows. Here we can donate money to support the project. I will do it later. If you don't have Java installed on your computer, you need to install it. Also, the Chinese are brilliant and creative engineers. There is one problem. When connecting a Chinese clone Arduino to a computer, the board is not determined. If you have a Chinese Arduino clone, you need to install a driver for this chip. You can download it from the internet. I also left a copy on Google Drive. Link as always in the description. We need to install the programs. First install Arduino IDE. From time to time, following messages may appear. Press the install button. Java I will not install, because it already exists on my computer. Now let's install the driver for CH340 chip. Connect our Arduino to the computer. Let's go to Device Manager and see what COM port our board is connected to. Now we open Arduino IDE. You need to open Tools tab and choose the correct port our Arduino connected to. The next step is to choose the right type of board. In my case, it is Uno. Open Bring firmware from examples. Press the Verify button. Wait. Done compiling. Everything okay. It's good. Now press Upload button. Done uploading. It's very good. Transfer our loop to Arduino. The LED on it illuminates for a second with a delay of 1 second. Perfectly. You can change the globe time and delay in the firmware. I will put a delay of 2 seconds. Remember, time is specified in milliseconds. I again press Upload button. Now the delay is 2 seconds. Now I am showing a pretty well-known mistake. Read the log, and we see hieroglyphs here. This is because the path to our firmware contains letters not written in Latin. So is it. You need transferring our firmware to the root of any disk. Now everything is fine. Let's stop at this today. In the next videos, we will begin to study in more detail Arduino from the hardware side. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new videos. Put likes. See you. Bye.